Alright, we're going to be removing the door lock and handle assembly. What I ended up doing on the other one was taking and removing these 3 screws back here. That would be on the inside door jamb. They're T30, I believe. I used a T25, I couldn't find my T30. And then I removed these 2 T20 screws here and here. Pried this green thing back to get the lever out of there, and then I was able to slide this whole thing down and out. It might be possible to take this whole unit out as one. I'm going to try doing that on this door, but if that's what you need to do, is separate these 2. That's what I ended up doing. And then after that, you take this screw here out of the back side on the handle. It's a T25. Once you take that out, you'll be able to remove this and then slide the handle back and out, exposing this T35 or bolt. And then when you take that out, then you can take this whole piece here out. So that's what we're going to be working on now. We're out. Don't even have to do those previous steps.